guys, welcome back to my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Retno Mutia. You can call me Anna. I'm college student of Yogyakarta State University and study program of non-formal education. And today, in this video, I will explain how to make a paper bag or gift bag. Why paper bag? Because this activity is to fill spare time during a pandemic and to make us paper. Okay guys, let's try making a paper bag. To make a paper bag, you only need simple material. First material, paper. I'm using a calendar paper. 2. Strap, ruler, pencil or pen, and then glue. After the material are ready, continue the first step. First step, adjust the paper to the size of the bag will be made. Next step, fold the paper right and left over 5 cm and then like this. Like this. Okay. Next step, then fold the rest of the paper like this and glue. Okay. Next step, fold the right and then left side of the paper. Okay. Next step, fold the bottom of the paper and then like this, and then like this, and then like this, and like this, and glue. Okay, next step, create a hole on the top of the paper like this, and then like this, and then enter the strap on this hole. Like this, and next, knead the paper and shove in the back of the bag. Okay, like this, like this. Yeah, finally paper bag or gift bag ready to be asked. Okay, ready. Okay guys, you can add decoration of the paper bag and so easy for your try. You can this activity to pass the time during a pandemic and stay healthy, stay safe, and hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Hold me close till I get